Embrace the twilight in this cozy backyard retreat. Soft firelight dances near plaid blankets, while the lush garden whispers in the gentle evening breeze, offering pure peace. Step into a vibrant sanctuary where raised brick beds overflow with lush life. Dappled sunlight warms the rustic potting bench, inviting you to cultivate nature's rich abundance. Wander down a cobblestone path lined with lavender and roses. Soft twilight glows on stone cottages, creating a peaceful, picturesque haven where time simply stands still. Golden hour glows upon a rustic pergola and tranquil pond. This serene garden offers a perfect dining spot, reflecting the peaceful beauty of country living at its finest. Bask in the tranquility of this thriving garden where sunlight touches rows of fresh vegetables. It is a lush, productive haven of natural beauty under a bright blue sky. A warm, sun-drenched glow illuminates the rustic picnic table and blooming flowers. Nestled near a stone cottage, this garden offers a peaceful morning escape for the soul. Follow the light to an elegant gazebo hidden in the greenery. Soft lanterns and blooming flowers create a refined, tranquil sanctuary, perfect for quiet, cozy gatherings. Magic comes alive at dusk in this backyard oasis. String lights glow above a cascading waterfall, while the stone cottage beckons you to relax in this peaceful, cozy dream. Golden sunset rays filter through the trees, lighting the path to an ivy-covered cottage. Surrounded by fragrant lavender and hydrangeas, this is a truly idyllic rural dream. Twilight descends upon a charming stone cottage nestled in lush gardens. Warm lamps light the path, inviting you into a magical world of peaceful seclusion and natural beauty. Unwind in a serene oasis where string lights glow on the pergola. The sound of a cascading waterfall and a cozy chair offer the perfect evening retreat amidst lush greenery. Wander through a picturesque English garden bathed in golden sunset light. Blooms surround a quaint stone well and thatched cottage, evoking a sense of timeless, deep peace. A circular path leads to a tranquil fountain surrounded by vibrant blooms. Sunlight bathes the brick home and manicured garden, creating an atmosphere of pure, inviting joy. Gather for a feast under the wooden gazebo framed by a rustic red barn and tranquil pond. Golden light warms the lavender path, celebrating the joy of peaceful rural living. A winding brick path invites you into a sun-drenched summer dream. Sunflowers bloom near a quaint wooden playhouse, creating a joyful, peaceful haven for endless happy days.